Wheel and tire descriptions. There's a diameter here, and that's the diameter of your wheel. And there's a diameter here, and that's the diameter of your tire. This is a 1.55 wheel, and this is a 1.9 wheel. Sometimes 1.55 wheels are called 1.5, just to make it simple. Both of these tires are 4.19. That number refers to the outside diameter of the tire in inches. That number is sometimes simplified to 4.2. So a 1.9 wheel, a 1.5 wheel, 4.19 tire, 4.19 tire. You can also call this wheel 1.55, that's its proper term. This is a 1.5 wheel and a 4.19 tire. This is a 1.9 wheel and a 3.9 tire. It might be a 3.85. Like I say, the difference between 3.85 inches and 3.9 inches is almost nothing. So sometimes people will just throw around 3.85, 3.9 for this tire size. Likewise with this tire size, people will call it 4.19 or they'll call it 4.2. That wheel can be called 1.55 or 1.5. But this wheel is a 1.5, this wheel is a 1.9, but both of these tires are 4.2. I'm pointing all of this out because I see people asking questions about what wheel size can I fit, what tire size can I fit, and they're not always using the terms correctly. So usually hard bodies max out at about a 4.2 tire, 4.19, whatever you want to call it, without having to start cutting things up. You can have a pretty large tire with a small wheel, or you can have a larger wheel with a smaller tire. There's other sizes of tires and wheels besides these. I'm just trying to keep things simple. Last thing I wanted to point out is that there are concerns for wheel size when you're putting them on various bodies. This SCX10 has no problem fitting this 1.5 wheel, but there's other chassis that won't fit that wheel because they have portals or independent front suspension. And on the back side of the wheel, there's just not enough room for the axle to get inside of there. But the moral of the story is, when you're talking about wheels and tires, the diameters are measured in inches, and there's two diameters. There's the diameter of the wheel and the diameter of the tire. And if you keep those differences clear, you'll have an easier time discussing what's going to fit or not fit on your vehicle.